When you see the Service ESC warning on your Chevy Malibu's dashboard, it's telling you there's a problem with your electronic stability control system. This is not a warning you should ignore. Electronic stability control is a crucial safety feature that helps prevent your vehicle from skidding and losing control. It automatically applies brakes to individual wheels when it detects instability. The ESC system relies on multiple sensors to monitor your vehicle's stability. These include wheel speed sensors, a steering angle sensor, yaw rate sensor, and lateral acceleration sensor. All sensor data is processed by the Electronic Control Module, or ECM. This computer brain analyzes the information and controls the ESC system's response when instability is detected. Ignoring the Service ESC warning is dangerous. When the system isn't functioning correctly, your risk of an accident increases significantly, especially in adverse weather conditions. Studies show that ESC effectiveness decreases by 60% when the warning is active. The Service ESC warning appears when there's a malfunction in any of the system components or the electronic control module that processes the data. Understanding what this warning means is the first step to keeping your Malibu safe on the road. Now that you understand what the Service ESC warning means, let's explore how to troubleshoot and fix this issue on your Chevy Malibu. The Service ESC warning typically stems from four main causes. Faulty wheel speed sensors are the most common culprit, followed by steering angle sensor malfunctions, ABS system problems, and electrical connection issues. Start your troubleshooting with a visual inspection. Check the wheel speed sensors for physical damage, corrosion, or contamination. These sensors are located near each wheel and can be affected by road debris, salt, or moisture. Use an OBD2 scanner to pinpoint the exact problem. The scanner will display specific diagnostic codes that identify which component is malfunctioning. Common codes include C0561 through C0563 for steering angle sensor problems and C0035 through C0040 for wheel speed sensor issues. Repair costs vary depending on the diagnosed problem. Wheel speed sensor replacement typically costs $150 to $300 per sensor. Steering angle sensor calibration runs $100 to $200. Wiring harness repairs range from $200 to $500, while ABS module replacement is the most expensive at $800 to $1,500. Regular maintenance can prevent most ESC issues. Clean wheel wells and sensor areas monthly to remove debris and salt buildup. Schedule annual ESC system checks during routine maintenance. Always recalibrate the steering angle sensor after wheel alignments and address any warning lights promptly within 48 hours. Remember, the Service ESC warning should never be ignored. While your Malibu remains drivable, addressing the issue promptly ensures your safety system functions properly when you need it most.